Learning English by watching movies is one of the most fun, effective, and natural methods to improve your language skills, especially if you're tired of boring textbooks and grammar rules. Movies expose you to real-life conversations, native accents, cultural context, and authentic expressions that you won't usually find in a classroom. But to actually learn from movies, you need the right strategy, not just watching for fun, but watching with purpose. Start by choosing the right type of movie. If you're a beginner, go for animated films, sitcoms like Friends, or movies with simple dialogue like The Pursuit of Happiness, Forrest Gump, or Finding Nemo. Intermediate learners can move on to rom-coms or dramas with daily-life vocabulary, while advanced learners can challenge themselves with thrillers or political films. Now, here's the step-by-step plan. First, watch the movie with English subtitles. This helps your brain connect spoken words with their written form. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Focus on the general meaning. In the second step, re-watch short scenes or clips without subtitles and try to repeat what the characters say. This is called shadowing. Mimic their pronunciation, speed, and tone. This will boost your speaking skills dramatically. Third, pick out useful phrases or slang from the dialogue. Write them down and try to use them in your own speaking or writing. For example, from a romantic movie, you might learn lines like, "Are you free tonight?" or "That's so sweet of you." These are natural expressions that native speakers use every day. Fourth, pause and play technique. Watch a sentence, pause it, repeat it, and then play again to see if you match the pronunciation. You can even record yourself to compare. Fifth, break the movie into scenes and watch one scene a day. This makes the process manageable. Try watching a 2-minute scene 3 times, first for meaning, second for pronunciation, third for repetition. Sixth, try movie journaling. After watching, write a short paragraph about what happened in the movie. This helps improve your writing skills and memory. You can write summaries like, "The boy finds a fish and starts an adventure," or more detailed ones like, "The main character was feeling lost but found courage to chase his dreams." Use simple present tense or past tense depending on your comfort level. Seventh, imitate emotions and body language too, because English is not just about words, it's also about how you say them. This builds your confidence in speaking naturally. Eighth, learn intonation and stress by noticing how native speakers emphasize certain words. For example, in the sentence, "I really don't like that," the word "don't" is stressed to show emotion. Practice saying it the same way. Ninth, turn your favorite scenes into role plays. Choose a character, pause the video, say their lines aloud, and continue the scene. You can even act in front of a mirror. 10th, explore movie scripts online. Websites like IMSDB and SimpliScripts let you read along while watching. Reading a script while listening helps you understand pronunciation, sentence structure, and vocabulary usage. 11th, try watching short YouTube movie clips or scenes from interviews, award shows, or even behind-the-scenes content. These videos often have clearer audio and real conversations that improve your listening. 12th, don't forget the power of repetition. Watching one movie 5 times is better than watching 5 movies once. Each time, you'll understand more and speak better. For extra learning, turn on English Audio plus English subtitles for first watch, then English Audio plus no subtitles on the second watch, and then try watching with no subtitles at all later. Over time, your ears and brain will sync with English naturally. Watching movies also teaches you contextual vocabulary. You'll learn how a word feels in a sentence, not just what it means. Instead of memorizing confused as a definition, you'll hear someone say, "I'm really confused right now," and it will stick better. Movies also introduce you to various accents, American, British, Australian, etc., and help your ears adjust to real-world English. Another bonus is cultural understanding. When you watch English movies, you also learn about how people in English-speaking countries think, react, and behave. This boosts your overall communication. Set a realistic goal. For example, watch one English movie every week and take notes. At the end of the month, you'll have 4 films worth of vocabulary, phrases, pronunciation practice, and story summaries. Watching with friends or family can make it even more interactive. Try discussing scenes in English, asking each other questions like, "What did you understand? What did she say in that part?" Or, "Can you say that line again?" Learning through movies is powerful because it connects emotion with language, and when you're emotionally involved, you remember better. Just don't fall into the trap of passive watching. You're not just watching for entertainment, you're watching as a student, an actor, and a speaker. If you follow this approach regularly, you will notice big improvements in how you understand spoken English, how you pronounce words, and how fluently you speak. So, grab your popcorn, get your notebook, and let Hollywood become your English teacher.